Hello guys, welcome to our Flutter tutorial series. In this video, we'll be learning how to create the Flutter tabs in any application, right? And one more thing, please guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video and share with your Flutter learning friends, okay? And it's just a second, to like this video. Please don't forget to like this. This is my BS code. Let's get started by creating a fresh project. I just create a new fresh project here. I'm just cleaning the code, and this is my home page, right? Today we are here going to implement the tabs in this page, right? I have here the empty page. Okay. For this, first things we need to do here is this is the state class, and we need to add to first the one mixin, right? With the name of the mixin is single ticker provider state mixin. This gives a tab control, right? Then the next thing we have to do here is when to initialize the TabController home page tab controller. We initialize here home page tab controller here. It should be okay. I'll make it like this. Is it working now? Why I'm making this underscore on the first? Because this is the private variable. Okay. Next thing, we have to initialize this in the init state. Then the next thing I have to do here is after the supported init, I have to do here from TabController is equal to TabController. Okay, it should be get two things. First one is spacing is this, and the length should be here. I'm only making the thread. Okay, the next thing is we have to also dispose. If we already created the tab, then when you go back to next pages or we forward to next page, I have to dispose this method as well, right? So dispose. Then after the super, then we have to home controller dispose. Okay, that's the necessary thing I need to do here first. Okay, and then we are ready to move for the primary code, right? Just like we have here the one AppBar. AppBar also provide us on the bottom. It gives us tab, right? TabBar, and inside the TabBar we are here adding some static tab. We can make it as a dynamic as well, right? Inside the tab we are making the tab class. It should be save the text. I'm adding here first home, right? And if we do like this, here it's saying the no tab controller, because we have here the tab controller as well, right? So I'm in key form dashboard, and so this thread tabs I'm making as a const because it's showing the errors better here at the constant. Okay, then we need to also mention the tab controller. First we have here the TabBarView. Inside the TabBarView, first mandatory parameter is controller, this home page controller. The next thing is children. We have here three children. Here I am only using the center tab, and on the center text child, switch to the text here. Question is that right. Okay, then we should replicate this as well. We have say, don't ignore the editors, okay, because we'll fix very soon. Dashboard, and third one is we have here one more, that is the search one. Win search. This is search. Okay, we did everything here. Okay, I should make this as const as well. Then I will refresh this page and we see the magic. When you get in TabBar, you must be TabController is the controller property or ensure. Okay, why this is not working? Because I have the TabController. I already added the TabController. TabBar. Okay, also I forgot to add here controller as well. TabController, right? It not show with the constant. Here the constant. Okay, now fine. I refresh again. Then we can see a very nice view we created here, right? See, this is our final result. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll get more content about the Flutter, and also we will continue the Flutter series generative video. Until that, keep support me and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with your friends who love to do coding in Flutter. Okay, thank you so much for the watching.